Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add an action button on your Instagram profile. I was helping a friend set up their Instagram business page recently, and they asked how some profiles have those buttons like book now, call, or order food. Turns out it's actually built into Instagram. You just need to write account type. So the first thing I did was open the Instagram app and head to the profile page. From there, tap on the three lines in the top corner to open settings and scroll until I find account type and tools under the professional section. If your account isn't already a business or creator profile, you will need to switch it to a professional account first. Once that's done, I went back to the profile and tapped Edit Profile. Inside the Contact Options section, there's a setting called Add Action button. Instagram then shows a list of partner services you can connect, like booking or ordering platforms. After logging into one of those services, the action button appears directly in your profile, making it way easier for people to contact or book you. Honestly, it makes the profile feel much more professional. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.